I'm going to give you an overview and an unboxing here of the Michelin Track Connect system. And so this is the box that it comes in, kind of an odd shape, has a weird corner to it. So it's sealed. I've already broken the seal, and so when we open it, it has the information about it, what it should have, contents. So what you will get, there's these 4 sensors, and I'll go over that in just a second. Those actually sit inside the specially designed tires, and this is a mount for your phone, and you will use that to connect to this brain, and this will sit in your center console. It uses a 12-volt power, and you'll sync between your phone and this, which will help program those sensors, and that will give you nearly live real-time track tire temperature and air pressure. And in my instance, it's going on a 2017 GT350R, which is known for absolutely destroying front tires. It's such a heavy car, means a lot of camber, and you have tracks that we run on here in Texas, Circuit of Americas, MSR Crescent, and so forth, that are just brutal on front tires. This is what comes in the kit for the brain. If I can get it out. So all it is, it's just a box with a USB plug. And so that will plug into a 12-volt adapter, use the cable, and that powers it up. So when using the Track Connect sensors, right here, you have to make sure you have a Pilot Sport Cup 2 that has Track Connect. And all that essentially means is it has this little place inside for the sensor. And so to install the sensor, you roll this to the side, put the sensor in, and the bar has to be going this way. And then the other part is, when you mount the tire, that sensor has to be within a quarter turn of the air pressure valve, the tire stem. Once that's done, then we'll show how to get them programmed and get going. So let's go get them mounted. Show you what they're going on here. This is a GT350R, and I had the paint sanded down and professionally redone with a not cheap UV resistant clear, so they won't turn yellow. So these wheels, they weigh about 17 pounds a piece. I can pick it up with one hand. That's almost a 12-inch wide wheel. So pretty impressive. Here's what it's going on.